Hello everyone, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is April 23rd, 2025, and we're going to analyze the QQQ ETF, considering both current events and the technical chart data. First, let's quickly recap some of the major news items influencing the market. According to recent reports, President Trump has softened his stance on tariffs and Fed Chair Powell. This has led to some market relief, with futures jumping yesterday. Solar stocks got a boost from new tariffs on Southeast Asian imports, while Tesla is facing headwinds after disappointing Q1 results. These factors are all contributing to the current market landscape, and it's important to understand how they relate to the QQQ chart. Now, let's switch over to the daily chart to get a broader perspective on the QQQ's recent performance. Looking at the past several months, we can see a clear uptrend with some significant volatility. Notice the large drop in early April, followed by a sharp recovery. This could be a sign of strong buying pressure at lower levels. Let's examine specific price points. Focusing on the recent price action from the start of April 2025, we see a low around the 422 level, then a rally, then another drop to around 402.39. This could be considered a support level for the short to medium term. Next, the price jumps back up to around 479, then falls again to around the 460s, where it trends for a week before continuing up. Considering the news of Trump softening his stance, we see the market reacted strongly after an initial sell-off. A break above the 460 level could signal further bullish momentum. However, the price continues to range for another week. Looking at the most recent candles, the end of April sees a very bearish run, where the price trends from about 490 down to as low as 402 again before jumping up to about 460. After that, the market seems to be making a solid recovery. These huge swings show indecision in the market, though the later green candles are a sign of bullish momentum. Now, let's narrow it down to the 1-hour chart to get more detail on the short-term trends. We can see greater detail in the movements from yesterday and today. On this time frame, 440 acted as resistance. Watch for a break above that level to confirm a short-term uptrend. Alternatively, failure to breach that level might lead to a pullback to the 430s. Let's take a closer look at the last few hours using the 15-minute chart. On the 15-minute chart, the recent price action shows a choppy sideways movement. We can see clear signs of consolidation with the market making small pushes upward. We saw the price action range between 430 to 450 and back. The market seems to be in a state of equilibrium. If the market pushes through, look for new opportunities to long, or if it falls, a possible short opportunity. It's imperative to confirm with other technical analysis before jumping in. In summary, QQQ is currently in a volatile state due to events such as Trump's tariff decisions and the disappointing results from Q1. Key price levels to watch include the recent support around 422 and resistance around the 440s, which can offer significant opportunities. A strong break above this level would indicate further bullish momentum. If the price fails to rise above 440 in the short term, the price may fall back down to the support around 430. Remember to consider both the news and the chart data to make the best trading decisions. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more chart analysis and market updates.